ఈ వీడియోలో మనం కొన్ని మల్టిపుల్ చాయిస్ క్వశ్చన్స్ విందాము. స్ట్రక్చర్ ఆఫ్ మ్యాటర్, 7th క్లాస్ సైన్స్. Question 1. Atoms of elements. Option A. Can exist independently. Option B. Cannot exist independently. Option C. May or may not exist independently. Option D. Can exist independently but don't like to. Now the answer is C. Atoms of elements may or may not exist independently. A molecule of water. Option A. Cannot be broken down. Option B. Can be broken down by hammering it. Option C. Can be broken down by boiling the water. Option D. Can be broken down by passing an electric current through water. Answer is D. Can be broken down by passing an electric current through water. There are about 117 different A. Elements. Option B. Molecule. Option C. Compound. Option D. Mixtures. The answer is A. There are about 117 different elements. If you heat a liquid, it will ultimately change into Option A. A solid. Option B. A gas. Option C. Either a solid or a gas depending on temperature. Option D. Neither solid nor gas, it will always remain a liquid. Answer B. A gas. If you heat a liquid, it will ultimately change into a gas. When two elements are brought together, they, Option A, always form a mixture. Option B, always form a compound. Option C, may form a mixture or a compound depending on the conditions. Option D, may form a mixture or a compound depending on what they like. The answer is C. When two elements are brought together, they may form a mixture or a compound depending on the conditions. Which of the following is not a mixture? Option A, air. Option B, seawater. Option C, pure water. Option D, soil. The answer is C, pure water. The valency of which of these elements is 0? Option A, iron. Option B, helium. Option C, hydrogen. Option D, oxygen. The answer is B, helium. The valency of helium element is 0. Which of these is the formula for calcium hydroxide? Option A, CaOH. Option B, Ca2OH. Option C, CaOH. thrice. Option D, CaOH twice. Answer is D, CaOH twice. The equation Na plus H2O gives NaOH plus H2 is option A correct, option B incorrect since it is not balanced. Option C incorrect since sodium does not react with water. Option D incorrect since hydrogen should be written as H and not H2. Answer is B, incorrect since it is not balanced. Thank you for watching this video.